Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be hanging out with my friend Zodi. We're going to make, I believe, steamed Thai fish, and I'm going to teach her and you guys how to make aguachile. I did not get this recipe from my own brain, but I do have a friend named Manny who taught me everything I know about aguachile, and I just became obsessed ever since. My new addiction. Well, I mean, it's not really new anymore, but now that I don't drink, sparkling water has sort of become like my new drink, I guess. I used to hate sparkling water, which is funny because now I can't even imagine living without it. And I would drink one of these at least like 3 of them a day, something like that. It gets kind of expensive, so LaCroix, sponsor me. I really just wanted to share with you guys the aguachile that I am just absolutely obsessed with. It is so freaking good on a whole nother level. So stay tuned for that. And I'm going to take you guys shopping with me so you know what to get. It'll be really fun. I just realized in that last clip it literally looked like I was crying, but I just get teary-eyed. I swear I'm not crying.
Why are you crying?
Guys, Zodi got a freaking tattoo gun.
Don't tell my boyfriend.
Wait, he doesn't know.
Of course not. You can't just tattoo and just like draw it out. You have to like focus on the depth.
Yeah.
And you have to focus on like the straightness of your lines and all that.
Yeah.
In the kit I bought, it's a little really practice skin. And so I was like, oh, this is a design that I like and that I would totally like
practice skin?
Do. Yeah, it's practice skin. It's like latex. And so I was like, oh, might as well practice on something.
Well, you are an artist, so
that's true. But
maybe it will come naturally.
Everything comes naturally. It comes naturally. When you're with me, baby.
Understand them.
Hi guys, come here. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Every stray cat we see is just kitty, 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 kitty. Oh my god, look, Zodi, another one. Oh my god, you guys are so cute. Wait, I feel like I'm at the zoo. Like this is like the lion exhibit. Okay, so we need some shrimp. Let's do 2 cucumbers. A shit ton of limes. Oh wow. I do not need this many, but what you need? Tostadas to eat your aguachile with. Need a shit ton of limes, like so. I would say around like 20 of these bad boys. You're gonna You're gonna need some garlic cloves, cucumbers, and an onion. You need some of this goodness, or you can substitute it with soy sauce. Yes, and a shit ton of cilantro. And serrano peppers. The serrano peppers are super important because the name of aguachile quite literally translates to chili water. Or like spicy water. Oh, and shrimp. Raw shrimp that we're going to have to devein, and also, what is it called when you take the shell? Oh, deshell. Peel the shell and peel them. So we're gonna do that. Makeup.
Wait, why'd you put the shells in here and the fucking...
Did I do that?
Yeah.
Wasn't me, dude.
That was you, dude. Where are you putting... Okay, wait. You can't just put the ones that I need to clean into the clean bowl.
Oh, yeah. Dude. My brain isn't working. Where should I put it? Okay, so we have fully peeled and deveined the shrimp, and then we can set that to the side until we're ready to put the lime concoction in, and then I'm going to go ahead and juice most of the limes into this blender so we can blend it, and you guys will see. Oh my god, dude.
Did you roll them?
These limes are like, never! Oh, he's so good at singing. They want to feel something.
I don't think so.
Garlic, serrano peppers, and lime juice, and then I'm gonna put like a whole bundle of cilantro in it, and then we're gonna blend it and then taste it. Oh, and also we're gonna put some of this magic sauce in there, like a few little. Oh, your tattoo looks great too. Okay, put that sucker on there. Your tattoos look great on my camera. Okay, this is like goals right here. Like having salt like this. Like that's like some bougie shit. So the shrimp is already cooking. Looks so good. Y'all, my eyes are burning. Oh, and don't mind this pimple. I don't even know if this is a pimple. Those onions fucked me up, fam. When you don't go to raves anymore. Now you're ready. Yep. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Baby boy. It smells so good. Do you guys mind if I taste test it first? For all my 10 people watching my videos?
Bro, there was like 50 views on the last one I saw.
You included? Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know 50 people. I don't know who's watching my videos.
Yeah, I saw like, I was like, that's a lot.
Okay guys, I'm going to test this aguachile that I made. Manny's recipe.
Oh, it's Manny's recipe? What'd you do?
Sherwin, help!
Oh, wait, what happened?
Funny. I spilled the... Like I did the classic like showing them the dish and I spilled the lime juice out of the bowl and Sherwin just saw it in slow motion. No, that's perfect. Thank you. So yeah, there's that. Classic me. So clumsy. Okay. Let's try. Let's do.
Classic nod. You ready?
Thai steamed fish, right?
I don't know the name of it.
Wow.
And you take the sauce of wonder.
Oh my god, dinner and a show. Wow. You guys, the sauce is so good. I tasted it earlier. And what's that? Lemongrass?
It's just green onions.
Green onions. We kind of let the heat sort of like fragrant eats them, right?
Everyone can eat them. Fresh, crunchy.
Wow. Wow, very seafoody lunch dinner thing today. Thank you, Chef Zodi.
So the fish is done well. You should be able to just cut through it.
Wow. It's so like white and flaky.
Let me grab some sauce. I'll try it.
Sherwin. Bomb?
So bomb.
Oh, perfect. It's that sauce you made, dude.
The sauce is dank.
Perfect, let's eat.
Here. Oh, so good.
Oh my god, that's so good, dude. Wow. So, of course, I forgot to film an outro again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to leave the recipe for the aguachile down below. It's sort of go by your own taste, but if you've never tried it, please make it. It's so simple and easy, and it's so delicious. I just don't understand it. And, yeah, let me know if you guys liked these sort of cooking and, like, style vlogs, because I'm a huge foodie. I love to cook, love to bake. And I would love to share more of that experience with you guys. So, thank you guys so much for watching again. Like and subscribe. And let me know if you try it. Please try it. It's so good. Okay, bye.